Are you washing your fruits and veggies with soap? Stop! You could be making them dangerous to eat. Fruits like strawberries and turmeric absorb soap. And that residue? It's not made for your stomach. Soap equals toxins and irritation. The FDA says no dish soap on produce. Here's the right way to wash your fruits and veggies. First, rinse under cool running water. For root veggies like ginger and turmeric, use a soft brush. Soak them in a solution of 1 part vinegar to 3 parts water for 10 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Optional tip: add lemon juice for natural disinfecting. Dry your produce with a clean cloth or paper towel to reduce any lingering bacteria. And remember, organic doesn't mean clean. The FDA and CDC recommend water only, not soap. Natural cleaners like vinegar or baking soda are safe alternatives. Quick recap: rinse with water, brush tough skins, use vinegar or baking soda, and never use soap. Dry before storing. Now you know how to safely wash your fruits and veggies. Like, share, and subscribe for more health hacks.